Hello everyone, welcome back to Redicate Foods, a channel of African traditional recipes, modern recipes, simple recipes, delicacies, breakfast idea, and so on. So guys, if at all you have never come across this channel, please search for it, YouTube channel. View my videos, like, share as much as you can. Also, you are allowed to throw your comments there and also to suggest whatever recipe you would do, African recipe that you would wish me to do for you. So today I'm back with the grounded beef stew or minced meat. I'm going to prepare minced meat. This time around I'm going to do it together with the pasta. So it's so delicious guys, so let's get to the cooking. What I have, this is the beef that I have here. I have some mixed white onions and red onions. I have garlic. I've just blended my tomatoes, 2 tomatoes. I have tomato paste. I have these 3 bell peppers, the yellow, red, and green. I have a dark soy sauce. So the spices I'm going to use, I'm just going to use turmeric and curry powder only. And this is the pasta that I'm going to use to make. So before I start everything else, I'll start by boiling this pasta. Stay tuned. My heat, I've placed my pan. Just add some vegetable oil. And guys, I'll just have enough that can cook the tomatoes. So stay tuned. Guys, it's like my oil is ready. So I'll start by just placing my onion and let my onions cook until they wither out. My onions have started withering. I'm going to add in the garlic. So this is the time now in my beef. So guys, you remember my pasta is boiling. Next, I'll put the bell peppers. So guys, this is the time to add in some salt. But remember, I'm going to use dark soy sauce, which already is salty. So I'm not putting any at the moment. So I'll give it some little time to cook. Stay tuned. So since it has cooked to this, so I'm going to add in some celery. Give it a mix. Then I'll finally add my carrot in there. My grated carrot. So at this point now, after this now, you can add in any spices of your choice. And for me, I'm going to use, just as I told you, turmeric and the curry powder. tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and give it a mix as well. Guys, you can look at my face, looking so yummy, so nice. Now lastly, but not least, that soy sauce, then that soy sauce. Next, my macaroni is almost, but after adding macaroni is when I put in my grated tomatoes, so stay tuned. My boiled macaroni are ready, so I'm going to add them in here. Then I'll give it a mix. Guys, just see how yummy, yummy it looks. Now at this point now you can add in the blended tomatoes so that it doesn't stick. I'll add some more. Yes, and there I am. So guys, this is how we make macaroni pasta in grounded beef. Look at it guys, see how yummy it looks. So I hope you will like my video. Please try out this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe if at all you have not subscribed, and follow my recipes. Please throw your comments as well, and just suggest for me what else would you wish me to cook for you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in another video. Bye bye.